Hello and welcome back to La Botica de Flora. You guys voted on the @Botica de Flora Instagram page for a lip gloss, and I'm here to deliver that to you today. This is a spiced chocolate jojoba lip gloss with a light feel in both a clear and tinted version. Jojoba oil is structurally and chemically the most similar to human sebum, meaning it mimics the structure of the skin. For this reason, it's great for conditioning and repairing your lips. I also included vitamin E as an antioxidant and powerful moisturizer and occlusive. As per popular demand, we're going to be making a easy moisturizing lip gloss / lip oil today. And I'm going to show you how to make a clear gloss as well as a brown shimmery gloss. So let's start out with a clear gloss. Alright, so in this bowl, I have 65% or 13 grams, because we're making a 20-gram batch, which makes about 4 tubes, of jojoba gel. And let me just show you this jojoba gel real quick. It's from Making Cosmetics. It's a little bit pricey, and it's jojoba seed oil along with some copolymers. So it's basically just a gelled jojoba oil. And so that gives it moisturizing properties as well as occlusive and film forming properties. So I think it's going to be a really nice gloss base for us. And then in the jojoba theme, we have in this bowl 6.6 grams of jojoba oil. Now we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. So we're going to be using vitamin E, and we're going to be using 1% or 0.2 grams of that. So let's add that in. All right. And then our flavor oil, which is from TKB Trading, it's spiced chocolate. We're going to be using 1% or 0.2 grams as well. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my mini whisk and turn the scale off and go ahead and whisk those ingredients together. It's starting to smell really nice in here, like a spiced Mexican hot chocolate, if you've had that. So since it's a clear gloss, those 4 ingredients are basically our ingredients. So let's combine now. Bring the jojoba gel back and just add in our oils. And then let's start whisking it together. And you can see it's forming a kind of looser texture based on the addition of the oil. We also have some more bubbles in there just from whipping it up, but that's not a problem. Okay, so that is that. That's our clear gloss, and I'll show you how I'm going to bottle it in just a minute. And now we're going to move on to our tinted gloss. So we're going to add the same amount of vitamin E, which is 0.2 grams, just a wee bit. And then we're going to add the same amount of our flavor oil, which is 0.2 grams. All right. Go ahead and turn off the scale, give those a whisk to incorporate. Smelling really nice again. Turn the scale back on, and now we get to get a little fun with it. So this is from TKB Trading. This is our mica, which is called Princess Merida. So it's kind of, I mean, you'll see the color, but it's like a reddish kind of ochre really nice reflex. And this is just a sample amount, but this should be enough for the batch size that we're doing. And we're going to add 1% or 0.2 grams of this. Now we're moving on to another pigment from TKB, which is a brown oxide. We're going to add 2% of that, or 0.4 grams. The reason we add pigments in with the oils is because they will clump up if they're not added into the oil phase. And so by dispersing them in the oil, you're going to ensure a better finished product. Let's whisk this together, and you can start to see what the color is going to look like. I think that is just so amazing. Let me see if I can get it to catch the light. Wow. So just going to disperse it as best I can, get it as even as I can. And I just thought this would go so well with the concept of like the spiced chocolate fragrance oil, or sorry, flavor oil. So now we're going to bring our jojoba gel back in, and we're going to add in the mica and oils, oh, and the brown oxide. I'm going to set the whisk aside and bring the spatula back in so we can really scrape all the oils and pigments in. Alright, so these are the lip gloss tubes that I have. They're also from TKB Trading. They're kind of like a square look to them, and this is what the doe foot looks like. So let's get started filling these. I'm now going to put the closures on there. Do a little swatch here for you. Wow. That feels excellent. Let's continue the filling process with the brown. And I'm going to do a quick little hand swatch. See if we can get some more on there.
And now you know how to make a moisturizing chocolate jojoba lip gloss. Thank you for watching, and happy making!